What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith, and today I'm going to be talking about why right now, going into 2020, is the worst possible time to invest in real estate. I'm going to be telling you this after having invested for the last 6 years in buy and hold real estate. I now own over 63 doors of rental real estate that have cash flowed extremely well, and I want to share with you why right now is the worst time for you to invest. So let's jump into it. You've all heard it, the end is near. I mean, a lot of people are forecasting that within the next 1 to 2 years, there are gonna be a lot of issues, that we'll see real estate start to slow down, that we'll be in this situation. Some are even saying it'll be worse than 2008. Some are saying it won't be as bad as 2008. Everyone is saying, oh, woe is me, the market is turning into a mess. Now, I started investing over 6 years ago, and what I've realized is that right when I started investing, everyone was telling me, Chandler, now is the worst time to invest. As a matter of fact, everyone would say, look, you missed it. In this town, holy cow, I wish I would have bought 5 years ago or 10 years ago, but now it's in a terrible place. I mean, man, prices have just skyrocketed. It's insane. All right, you go back 50 years ago, it's the worst time to invest. 100 years ago, worst time to invest. Right now, the worst time to invest because holy cow, you've missed it. You've missed out on your opportunity to be a successful real estate investor. And the reason that I made this video is this is what naysayers have said and will continue to say forever. And what's so funny to me about there being a good time or a bad time to invest in real estate is the fact that yes, the market goes up and has these dips and goes up and has these dips. That's true. And if you buy in a dip off of the MLS at asking price, you're right. The best time to purchase real estate is right in that dip. And if you know how to tell me right when that's gonna come, please give me a call. I'm all on board. I think that's awesome. But I'm yet to meet someone who is perfect in that. As a matter of fact, the only people that have been anywhere close to perfect in that are the people that are consistently buying real estate. And as a matter of fact, they're not just buying at market. They're finding a way to buy way below market. My man, Meet Kevin, talks about deals that are wedge deals. Wedge. And if you follow me and you don't follow Meet Kevin, he is the freaking man in real estate. So you've got to go follow his YouTube channel because he puts out some incredible content. But the point I want to make with this video is there are multiple different ways to buy properties below market value to where even if you would have purchased real estate, buy and hold real estate right before the mess in 2008, you still would have made an incredible investment had you bought below market value. To where you can buy a property below market value, you can increase rents, you can put yourself in a situation where regardless of what the market does, you're gonna be cash flowing. Now, are there some of those situations that maybe went down in value over the next couple of years? Of course there are, but they would have still been cash flowing and they would have put you in a situation where if you were buying in 2005, in 2007, in 2008, then you're gonna be buying in 2009, in 2011, in 2012, in those years that were incredible to buy real estate, even if you were buying at market value. However, don't buy at market value. That's why you've got to find situations where you can find deals to where someone is desperate to sell. Regardless of the market, there's always someone desperate to sell. Now, if they're not someone desperate to sell, you need to find someone who has their rents way lower than they should be. There's always someone that bought real estate 15, 20 years ago that's ready to sell it, and they're gonna sell it for a couple $100,000 above what they bought it for, and it's still gonna be way below what it should be worth had they raised their rents to the current market. So you buy it, you raise rents, again, you've bought a property where you're buying it below what it should have gone for, to where even if the worst of worst things do happen in the next couple of years, you're still gonna be in an awesome situation because you bought it below market value. Now, there's so many different ways to do this. We've talked about just finding someone that's desperate, raising rents. There are situations where you can go in and it's a total mess of a property that no one else wants to touch, and you renovate it for cheap and get someone in there to rent it. There are situations where you find someone that's a good connection, where you work out some kind of side deal to get a good deal on it. There's so many different ways to buy properties below market value. And so I am telling you, yes, right now is the worst time to buy real estate in comparison to 5 years ago. That's true. If you have the choice right now to buy 5 years ago or to buy right now, I'm telling you right now is definitely worse because you are going to obviously get a better deal 5 years ago because we've seen huge appreciation. But the reality is right now is an awesome time to buy real estate if you're able to find a deal where you can get a below market value and put yourself in a situation where you've got strong cash flow, to where you're comfortable investing in real estate, to where you're always investing so that when the dip does come, you know what you're looking for, you know what's a good deal, and you're prepared and ready to jump on that deal. So if you're one of those people that is petrified and you're clicking on everything you can that says now is a bad time, get the courage to say, no, I'm going to make now the right time. And I promise you, if you can get to that place to make now the right time, you're gonna be consistently purchasing real estate and you're going to make it the right time to buy real estate. And heck, you might buy when it's high and it goes down a little bit, but you might buy when it's down a little bit and it goes up because no one knows what the market is going to do. If someone knew perfectly what was going to happen, they're probably a billionaire and they're not going to share it with you anyways. So trust me when I say that right now is an awesome time to buy real estate if you know what you're looking for and you know what to do when it's time to jump on that deal. Now, if you enjoyed the video, push the like button and subscribe to the channel and check out all my other videos. I've put together a ton of videos on how to buy real estate. I've also put together a playlist of all of the real estate deals that I've purchased that now put me at over 60 doors of buy and hold real estate. And I will tell you right now, I am working on a deal that I know is going to be an awesome purchase regardless of what the market does, and you should be doing the same. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.